HG Drain Unplug Unblocker, and it says it can unblock within 5 minutes. Benefits about this product is it unblocks within 5 minutes, no hot water is needed, it's for all types of drains, and it's ready to use. You won't have to mix the solution like some other products. HG Drain and Plug Unblocker is a unique, safe but extremely powerful unblocker that offers many advantages. It does not have to be diluted, thus reducing the chance of splashing. HG Drain and Plug Unblocker does not foam or splash when poured into the drain. Unlike other granular unblocking agents, it cannot make the blockage worse and does not harm plastic drain pipes. So there you can see the instructions. This will be so easy to use. So obviously it's a chemical product, so keep out of reach of children. It also recommends you wear protective gloves and eye protection, and I'll show you my goggles that I use. It recommends wearing a safety pair of goggles, and these are the type that I have got. I will leave a link in my description box and the comments area in case you would like to get yours.